kinong kharkaia ki bedai kinong khayi ka jela ki larai ba ya ka baisiu ya ka transit pass TP ka bashim da ka district council on pan phai no syakador synsar kata ban kampen ki yakador ki kharkaia ki lapan singaw ya ka ne menta ka singi ka sitrik unaitung hadien bagilai kendo yu menteri ka tenat kamrap ka jela ba banti dor lingdo hapos ketrian ya ka TP la jushim khajna di ki autonomous district council ki ADC na usynsar ban kit shabar hakador 10,000 na ka benta sitrok Habakran syikilat patai kubor hadin belai kendu menta kasngi yu menteri ketenat rap karyang. USP Chaudhry uwe neki kharkaia bob nongkhayi ke jela belai tu bagajing ya keren bot menteri kelong ke basaiso hakabala pelaik no ya ka TP na ka bentau synsar.
Regulated market. So we had a meeting with the minister, honorable minister. So regarding this, they have abolished this transit pass on broomstick. So he has asked us to pass on the benefit to the farmer, and we have agreed that the transit pass which has been stopped from today, from few days back, that benefit it should be passed on to the farmer by increasing the price in ratio of the transit pass charges. It has gone up. Last year the average price was around 35-40, but this year the price is 60 and above for the first quality. So it is a better price, and we have told the minister that the price is more depend on demand and supply. When the supply is too much, like last year, the price went down, and this year the supply was little less, so the price was better. So the main thing for the which controls the price is the quantity of production. This transit pass which was being issued by district council, so we were paying 4,000 per truck. So now that it is not there, we will be saving 4,000 per truck, and we will pass on to the farmer by increasing the price.
Kaba kongsan kalong ba kini ki nongrat synsar ki pergi la kajong kecenge. Kata kalong la ki wanrak na kinu kisna. Ki wanrak na kinu ki district. Shaidan ki lenti ki sengkien ki babdeh po national highway ki badai sepok pat ki syaban krong ki bai ya ni kali teng usim melim usim kini usim tentang kelas tu san sepak tengah sekali seja tengah sekali kum kita ki jingit ki kum tengah kepan ni pi bamenta ni ngila pelong ni mar kum agro forestry bamdan syu bamdan tax issue na kalian government tidai na tada ba kiwi kemlah syu ban krong tax area ni synsar diben telah kum tu free na bentar jing to jikin orang kebalit siapa kebalit bagi syak krong ki nongrat ke kata ke kata support discount sawaja shikali hapsi tu sawaja sen spak kunta kata kala lagi tu kebede buat discount ko ada lang jong benta ke panganya keren ling ba ka DCA kiwi pat ki ba ka sauka jungi kala menyerap ke discount ya dalam takkan nak try kata kaya lagi jong yang depan man sampai bakum no manang improve ya ketika regulated market apa mau yang kata kadai ke si benta pat nak kalian juga ya keren namarkan fi kadon ka jing ya sutu jumut lang fi bakum no banang improve kan pensuk yakin nong khayi ki bawan balik nanti